The command npm -npi-g, that is npm install global apm @next. So this will take care of installing the latest version of APM as a global server in your system. You can get all these as instructions from the APM web page, where if you just get into install APM, you will be having the instruction available. This is what I use to set up APM. This will keep changing as we go across various versions. This might have one more major update coming in anytime. This is not a stable environment. This is an open source tool. Everyone will have their own innovation. And now that AI is dominating the industry, artificial intelligence is dominating the industry, they might come up with one more major version which has AI integrated into the memory and all that.